Welcome to this Transforming Learning Fife video on accessibility, Speak Selection. Speak Selection allows us to select any text on the screen and hear it read out loud. To turn this feature on, we need to open up Settings. Within Settings, we're looking for Accessibility down the left-hand side. The accessibility settings are organised by their different features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech and cognition, and we're looking for vision and read and speak. We're looking at Speak Selection in this video. There will be other videos that show you how to use the accessibility reader and speak screen. So tap on to Speak Selection and then tap the toggle to turn Speak Selection on. We can also turn on highlighting. Highlighting means that as any text is read out loud, we could either have the words, the sentences, or words and sentences highlighted for us. These could be underlined or with a background colour, and then we can go in and change the colour of these. Use the back arrows to go back in the settings and come back to the Read and Speak page. The last thing we'll do is we'll change the voice. So tap onto Voices, and by default we're on Siri Voice 1. If we tap onto this and then tap again, you'll see we have a list of voices that we can choose from. Where you see a cloud, this means it needs to be downloaded. If you scroll through, you'll see there are lots of different names, and you can tap the play to listen to them to find one that suits you. You might like to use the Scottish voice, which is called Fiona. Let's listen to how it sounds.
Hello, my name is Fiona. I am a Scottish English voice.
To use any of the voices, make sure you have downloaded it first and then tap on the voice to select. Let's swipe up from the bottom and see what Speak Selection does. I'm going to open up a web page and I'm looking for some text. When I see some text, I can hold down on the screen and you'll see this blue bar appears. I can use the blue dots to decide how much I would like to highlight. And then I have this menu option here. If you click the arrow, we'll get more options and you'll see we have the option to speak.
Transforming Learning Fife will provide staff and P6 to S6 learners with one devices to transform.
This can be used on any web page, within any app that has text. We can also use it within photographs as well. You might want to try taking a photograph of some handwritten text and seeing how Speak Selection works with that too.